Look at this channel. It makes videos about wartime history. In the last 30 days alone, it pulled in 2.3 million views. Estimated monthly earnings, $14,000. And that number is probably conservative because its average video is 40 minutes long and the visuals are nothing more than animated pictures. Today, I'm not just going to break down this one channel. I'm going to show you 3 completely different channels across 3 different niches that are doing the exact same thing. And I'm going to show a secret tool that lets you create these massive 40 to 50 minute videos in a single click. No manual scripting, no stitching clips together, no tedious editing. Right now, almost every guru on YouTube is telling you the exact same outdated method. Generate your script in Claude, do the voiceover in 11 Labs, generate visuals in another tool, and put it all together. Honestly, that method is dead. It doesn't scale. If you want to dominate in today's era, you don't need a bunch of disconnected tools. You need a proper, automated system. Before we get to the tool, let's look at the proof. Our second channel is called Darkness Prevails. They focus entirely on the terrifying stories niche. In the last 30 days, they've gained 2.2 million views, banking an estimated $5,000 a month. And just like the first channel, their visuals rely heavily on simple, atmospheric pictures. Our third example is an automated cartoon channel. Let's look at their analytics. Almost 4 million views in the last 30 days and an estimated $3,000 in monthly earnings. But again, that number is likely way higher because they are publishing videos that are over 2 hours long. If you open their uploads, it's the exact same formula animated image sequences. So we have 3 different niches: wartime, horror, and cartoons. We've seen the views, the earnings, and the video types. Now, let's go to the engine that builds them. The secret tool we are using today is called Noir. It is specifically engineered to generate ultra-long content. In fact, you can create videos up to 20 hours long directly inside this platform. It acts as an entire production system in one place. I'll leave a link to Noir in the description so you can click and sign up. Here is the quick step-by-step tutorial on how to generate a full-length video exactly like those million-view channels. First, click on Generate Video and bypass the quick options by selecting Detailed Settings. Here, you'll write your video title and provide a very short explanation of your concept. Set your video length. We're aiming for that high retention 40 to 50 minute mark and choose your language. In step 2, scroll down and pick the speaker voice that best matches the vibe of your niche. Now for step 3, visual configuration settings. You can select high quality video generation here, but to replicate the success of the massive channels we just analyzed, we are going to use images. Choose your preferred image model and select an image style from their library of over 12 different aesthetics. Here is where you separate yourself from the amateurs. Turn on character consistency. Finally, move to step 4. This is where you configure the final polish, the animations, the visual effects, and the background music. Once all 4 steps are locked in, hit Analyze to check your token costs, and then click Start Generation. Noir is now building a ready-to-publish video completely from scratch. To prove how good this is, I already ran this exact method through the system twice. Here's a clip from the cartoon niche I generated.
Before the jungle learned to fear him, it simply watched. And then, one by one, every creature decided that watching from a distance was the safest form of admiration. Leo moved through the dense green world like a slow fire, unhurried and absolute.
And here is a clip I generated for the wartime stories niche.
Former operators, speaking anonymously to researchers, pushed back firmly. Standard drone sensor suites include multi-spectrum calibration protocols that correct.
Look at the pacing and the visual consistency. But hey, don't just trust me. Click the link in the description, generate a video through Noir yourself, and compare it. I guarantee you will get results exactly like the big channels. Or even better, we've covered wartime, horror, and cartoons today. But did you know there is one specific niche on YouTube that is actually far more profitable than all 3 of these combined? It's the sleepless history niche. I just did a full step-by-step breakdown of a channel in that exact space, making over $7,000 a month with AI. If you want to see exactly how they do it, click the video on the screen right now, and I'll see you over there.